Hello everyone, I have an important message for those who are preparing for UPSC CSE 2027. You are the beginners and when you start preparing, आप failure महसूस करते हैं, but that failure isn't very loud. It is silent. But that silent failure is not in the exam hall. It is in the first 6 months of your preparation. You study every day, you watch lectures, you read books, you highlight in those books and you make notes also. But जब आपको कभी कोई पूछता है that when are you going to write your first 10 answers, you have no answer. When they ask you that when are you attempting your first full length or even the sectional test, you have no answer. You just say हम कर लेंगे. When they ask you how are you going to measure your weekly improvement, you still don't have a clear answer. And that's the silent damage that happens. UPSC doesn't punish lack of efforts, but of course it punishes lack of systematic effort. And the truth is that your first 6 months, they will decide how 2027 will feel like. Confident या chaotic. So in those 6 months of your preparation, initial months of your preparation, very crucial. You should have a fixed answer writing start date कि कब से आपको आंसर लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. You should have a weekly test cycle कि इस पूरे इतने दिन पढ़ने के बाद I'll be attempting this test. You should have a realistic daily timetable. Because people make 12 hours timetable एक दिन में, but 5 hours भी cover नहीं हो पाते. So what's the point of making that kind of timetable? You should have a tracking system and you should know how to integrate the GS with the current affairs. Without this whole structure, you'll study for months, but you'll still feel that I'm not ready for this exam. कभी आपसे कोई पूछेगा, are you attempting 2027? You'll just say, I am not sure. Get the surety. And that's why we are conducting a focus webinar for UPSC CSE 2027 beginners. We will show you how exactly your first 6 months should look like. We will tell you how to start writing answers without hesitation. वो beginning कैसे करनी है? We will tell you how to attempt your first test smartly. We will tell you how to build speed and consistency starting from day one. There will be no fluff, no generic book lists, just a clear execution blueprint. So if you don't want to fail silently in 2026 while you're targeting 2027 exam, you have to and you should register now.